Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about how to install Call of Duty Black Ops 7 right into your Windows PC, whether you are using any launcher like Battle.net or the Steam. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the first step, you need to launch the Battle.net launcher. If you have not downloaded it, head over to your browser and download this Battle.net launcher right into your PC. Download it, install it, and then create an account. After creating or installing Battle.net, click on the option Shop. Now right over here in the search box, type in Call of Duty and you will find the game Call of Duty. Select the game, scroll down and click on the option Play for free, or you will find the option of Install right over here. The game is already added in my games list, so I'll go to the games, select the game and you will find the option of Install. Click on the option Install. Now click on the option Continue and you will find the option of Black Ops 7 Beta right over here. Make sure you check mark this particular option. After doing so, click on the option Start Install and Black Ops 7 Beta will be installed right in your game. Once the game is installed right over here and you want to play the game onto the Steam, launch the Steam and right in the bottom corner you will find the option of Add a Game. Click on it and choose the option Add a non-Steam game. Now you need to browse the game directory by clicking on the option Browse. Like I'm going to install the game right in my F drive and here is Call of Duty folder. Right over here, once the game is fully installed, you will find Call of Duty Black Ops 7 exe file. Select that exe file and click on the option Open to add the game right into the Steam, and once added, the game will be shown right in this library. That's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.